Hi, welcome to the second forge in history, the Big Bang How to Play video. This time we are going to meet a special kind of string, the superstring. The superstring is a string that can cross its body, and it will help you in creating bigger groups with more freedom. It can be activated every third time. Waiting time changes with the level, and it lasts some seconds before going back to be a normal string. You can activate it by clicking or tapping on its icon when it's bright, or, on the browser version, pressing W. This is all you need to know to use this simple but powerful tool. We hope you will enjoy it as the rest of the game. Try it on our website, and if you like the project, support it on Instagram, buy me a coffee or Patreon. See you in the next video.